Hey bro, what's going on? Welcome back to the Mode Watchers channel. Another video, another order update video for you guys. So in this one, we are sending out 5 orders. And yeah, we've been getting a lot of orders over the last couple of weeks. We've been really busy. So just first of all, I want to say a massive thank you to each and every one of you who has ordered from us. I hope you're all enjoying your watches. And if you have not ordered from us yet, definitely watch this video. Maybe you get some ideas. And if you do want to purchase, there's going to be a link to our website in the description below. Go check it out. Check out some of the other models on our website as well. If you don't like any of these, I'm sure you'll find something on there which you will like. So like I said, we've been very busy over the last couple of weeks, hence we haven't been uploading on YouTube as much. We've been getting a lot of batch orders like this one where there's like 6 or 7 going out at the same time, and this one I thought, you know what, I'm just going to pause the shipment for this at least one day. I just want to sit down and take a video and just show our YouTube followers what sort of things people are ordering, and it might give you some ideas as to what you might want to order. So we've got a nice selection here. I'm going to walk you through each one, starting off with the top right, and then got a couple of, well, they're all pretty much date just. We do have a Nautilus here as well, which I'm going to show you in a second, which is absolutely beautiful. But yeah, let's start off with the top right. This one should pretty much be no surprise. I'm just going to whip through this quite quickly. This one is the Seiko Panda Daytona mod, and of course this is one of our best sellers. Yeah, not much else to say about this one. I've covered this on the channel so many times. Seiko VK63 movement in this one, which is a mecha quartz movement, meaning it's a hybrid of a quartz and a mechanical movement here. So you have the 24-hour timer here, you have the seconds timer here, and then over there you have the minute timer. And then of course the actual functionality to do the stopwatch feature here also works as well. You just unscrew the top crown and then you unscrew the bottom crown like so. Press the top one to start the stopwatch, and then you can press it again to pause, and then press the bottom one there to reset the timer. So that's a nice and easy one to start off with. Again, not much really to say about this one other than the fact that it's really popular. Keeps selling. People just keep loving this watch, and obviously it's based off of the Rolex Panda Daytona, which is one of the most sought after watches in the world, so it kind of makes sense why this one sells as well. So yeah, really nice watch, again with the white and black features. This is on an oyster bracelet. We can put it on any bracelet you like. And then we have a 39 millimeter water resistance. 39 millimeter watch face on this one. 30 meter water resistance on this watch. So yeah, an all-round good egg is this one. Very nice. Let's move forward then. So the next one is an automatic movement. This is an NH35 Seiko based movement, and it's the Wimbledon dial Seiko mod. Wow, take a look at that, guys. So I'm just going to show you this in all its glory. It is a beautiful watch. It has the grey rhodium dial, you can see, with the green Roman numerals. I am just trying to focus this for you guys. Do bear with me. Yeah, take a look at that, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. The gold just really gives it that nice touch. Two-tone Wimbledon on the two-tone Jubilee bracelet with the two-tone clasp as well. Gone for the full two-tone colorway here. So again, this one is going out to a customer. I'm sure he's gonna absolutely love this watch. So if he is watching, then I hope you absolutely love this watch. I'm sure you will. We've got a date window at the 3 o'clock position. Oh yes, this is a very nice one. So again, 39 millimeters on this one, similar to the previous one. We have a fluted bezel here. We have the automatic Seiko NH35 movement, and yeah, really nice is this one. Again, if you are into your two-tone bracelets and your two-tone watches, definitely hit us up. Check out our website. We'll be happy to create this specific one as well for you. All right, moving on. Let's see what we have next. So now again, another Seiko NH35. So this is an Arabic dial mod. And take a look at this one, guys. This is absolutely beautiful, shining so nicely is this one. This just has a really punchy color. I really like this blue color. You know, blues and greens just do really well in general on like Datejust type watches. Obviously this is not a Datejust, but it's you know, that kind of smart smart casual type of watch. But yeah, this blue is really punchy. It's really deep. I really do like it. It has a 3D texture pattern on there as well. Hopefully you can see that in the camera. And then, yeah, I mean, this just needs shaking up a little bit. It's just been sat for a few days, which is why it's not running. But you can see there, running absolutely fine. So we've got the Arabic numerals on this one. And we've got the Jubilee bracelet on this as well. Exhibition case back. Of course, if you want to close that up, you can let us know. That's absolutely not a problem. We can close that up for you. But yeah, that is an absolute stunner. You can see the fluted bezel on there as well. Just adds to that shine. Just really nice shine there. And if you take this underneath the sun, or under the sun, should I say, you will get that really nice shine coming off your wrist. Better get them to put some sunglasses on so you don't blind them. Right. Okay, moving on to the next one. So this is one of my favorite mods, and this is the black Submariner mod. Wow, take a look at that. Very clean, guys. I think this is like really clean. It's not obviously these watches are very shiny and they're kind of standing out in your face. The Panda's kind of less subdued, but those two are definitely up there, like in terms of showing your wrist off. This is just a very clean watch. Like, it's not shouting too much. It's just a very smart watch to wear. It's like someone will look at the wrist and then start a conversation. It's not really going to attract that much attention if you know you're not wearing it out in the sun. You know, those obviously will be kind of like attention seeker pieces, and if that's what you want, that's brilliant. This is more kind of like an undertone colorway because it's all black. But make no mistake, guys, this is an absolute belter of a watch. So you can see here we have the full ceramic bezel. We can do this in a number of different colors actually. So this one's in a black. On the website we do have it in a black, and we do have it in a blue as well. We've done a Smurf before. But if you want any other color, just have a chat with us on the WhatsApp line, and you know, we'll work with you to see what colors we can get onto this. But yeah, again, this is the Seiko NH35. We've got the date window at the 3 o'clock position, and we've got a full ceramic bezel on this one. We can do like an aluminium bezel as well. And then yeah, what else have we got? We've got a Jubilee bracelet. We've got an exhibition case back on this one, and that is ready to go out to our friend as well. But yeah, really nice watch is this. I do really like the black Submariner. I really do rate it. Yeah, very nice. Okay, and then last but not least, I think it's kind of the star of the show really, is this watch here, guys. Take a look at this. So here we are back again with another Seiko Nautilus mod. And take a look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to focus in on the detail a little bit for you. So yeah, just take a look at that shine. Oh yes. And when you take the stickering off, you know, you can just really see that shine. Just the brush metal effect on this. The side plates obviously have that shiny effect, and then you've got that brushed steel here. Yes, this is an absolute winner, is this one, guys. Honestly, very nice watch is this. So you can see what we have is like a 38/39mm face on this one. So it's obviously got a round shape. It's not a full circle, but it's, you know, kind of like a roundy sort of shape. And then we have a date window at 3 o'clock. Obviously, it doesn't have a magnification as per the watch that this is paying homage to, but you can see here it's got a very nice legible face, and then it obviously has the iconic blue dial there with the sort of like the ridges going through. If I just close this up, and then you can see also if you want to change the date, you can change that there as well. And this is once again based on the reliable Seiko NH35. So no surprises there. And then we've gone for an exhibition case back on this one as well. And guys, we do the exhibition case back on all of these as a default, because we just personally, like, I really like looking at the case back. You know, if I not the case back, sorry, the movement inside the case back, you know, it just adds a layer of sophistication to the watch. So if you ever do take it off, you know, you can see what's going on in the back. It's just nice, you know, it's kind of like a little museum back there. But if you want to close it up, that's absolutely fine. You know, you just let us know and we'll do that for you. It's not a big deal. But just be aware that, you know, as a default, you'll get it with an open case back, unless, you know, it's stated on the website or we tell you. So yeah. So here we go. So that is pretty much it. This is, I guess this is my favorite one out of the batch. I would also like to shout out this one. I think the blue dials, there's just something about the blue dials, just they are just absolutely beautiful. They just shine so nicely. So yeah, I think the theme of this video is kind of like the blue dials, but yeah, the rest of them are also very nice as well. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. So these are going to be going out. If any of the customers of these watches are watching, then thank you for being patient with us. It just took us a few days to kind of get these together, and you will be receiving them in the post in the next couple of days. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and if you want to purchase any of these, there'll be a link in the description below. Also, just a quick shout out, I don't really mention this every time in my videos, but we do have a lot of Trustpilot reviews which you can see, you know, kind of our service. And the one thing I just want to mention is, you know, we don't do this just because we're running a business. I'm one of the people that actually makes these watches myself by hand, and I do this because I actually love what I do. I love watches. I've always loved watches. I have, you know, many Seiko mods myself, which I built for myself years before I even, you know, started doing this for as a business for other people. And the reason I do this is because a lot of people cannot afford watches that look like this from other brands, and I don't need to mention what those brands are, but you know that. You either do that, or you either just, you know, buy very, very cheap knockoffs. We wanted to create an opportunity for people to be able to kind of wear what they want to wear and what they like in a more affordable way. And we can make that for you. And the other reason we do this is because it gives you a chance to be able to specify exactly what you want the thing to look like. Now, you can't really go and do that in a Rolex or a Casio shop or a Seiko shop. You know, you can't just go to Seiko and say, oh yeah, can you change this on the Seiko Presage as an example? So what we do is we take, you know, the mechanics and the parts of Seiko, and then we take other aftermarket parts and we build something that's unique for you. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of touch on that as well, because I've not really touched on it before. If you look at our reviews, you'll kind of see that in the reviews, you know, we offer a great customer service, you know, because we love what we do. And it's just something to keep in mind when you're obviously shopping around. You know, do your due diligence. Obviously, there's a lot of scams out there as well. And since our last video, we've just been hit with a lot of questions and stuff, which I thought I'd answer in this video here now that I'm doing it. Regarding like scams and stuff like that, people have actually come to us and said, we've been scammed, you know, we're actually looking for this watch, you know, will you actually deliver it to us? And it's like, of course, you know, we are not here to scam people. If we can't do something, we will tell you straight away. If we can't deliver something, we will tell you straight away. But, you know, 99% of the times, people have come to us and they've been very, very happy with what they've received, and they've actually received it as well. You know, we've delivered every single order that we've sent out, and you can fact check us on that. You can check our Instagram page, where we've literally got a whole pinned story where we've gone through each and every single order package. We've got it there in front of us. We've actually stopped doing it now because there's just so many. You know, there's over, you know, hundreds of orders that we've actually sent out that we've stopped doing that because we just don't have the time to do it. But we have each and every one of those images saved in our gallery, and we're happy to show you those if you want to, you know, question us on that. So yeah, definitely check out our reviews, make your own mind up, obviously, and then yeah, get in touch with us on WhatsApp, any questions, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.